In this video, you'll learn how to download all your files from Google Docs using Google Drive. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to grab multiple documents at once and save them to your computer in a single organized package. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. This is where all your Google Docs actually live, along with your sheets, slides, and any other files you've stored in your Google account. You can get there by opening your web browser and going to the Google Drive website, then signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your folders and files laid out, either in a list or grid view, depending on your settings. Next, you need to choose the files you want to download. You're not limited to just one file at a time, which makes this really helpful if you're backing up a project, sharing documents offline, or moving your work to another device. To select multiple files, start by clicking on the first file you want. Then, if you're on a computer, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking on additional files. Each file you click will be added to your selection. If the files you want are all in a row, you can also click the first one, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last one in the list. Everything in between will be selected automatically. Take a moment to make sure you've got everything you need highlighted before moving on. You can include Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, PDFs, images, and other file types in the same batch. Once you've selected all the files you want to download, move your mouse over any one of the highlighted files and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options. Look for the option that says Download and click it. As soon as you do this, Google Drive will start preparing your files. Because you're downloading more than one file, Google Drive will automatically compress them into a single zip file. This is a standard compressed folder that makes it easier and faster to download multiple items at once. Depending on how many files you selected and how large they are, this process might take a few seconds or a bit longer. You'll usually see a progress indicator at the bottom or side of your screen while Drive is working. When the zip file is ready, your browser will begin downloading it just like any other file from the internet. You can usually see it appear in your browser's download bar or in your downloads list. Once the download finishes, open your computer's downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default, and you should see the zip file there. From this point, if you want to access the individual documents inside, you'll need to extract or unzip the file. On most computers, you can do this by double-clicking the zip file or choosing an extract option, which will create a regular folder containing all the Google Docs and other files you selected. That's all there is to it. You've used Google Drive to select multiple files, downloaded them, and received them as a single zip file on your computer, ready for backup, sharing, or offline use.